Squarespace has a robust suite of commerce tools to help you market your products and stand out online. If you're an online seller looking to grow your business, one of the best places to start is by optimizing your site for search engines. This helps ensure that your customers can find your site through search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. To ensure that your store page displays correctly on search engines, navigate to the page settings and update the SEO title, SEO description, and social image. Additionally, you can update the SEO titles, descriptions, and social images for your products as well as within the product settings. Social images will help ensure that the correct image displays when sharing your store online. Selling products and services through social media is becoming an increasingly profitable avenue for many sellers. You can use Squarespace's integration with Facebook and Instagram to sync your products so you can sell and advertise directly from posts, stories, and shops on your profile or page. As you start receiving more traffic on your site, you may want to consider collecting subscriber email addresses to send out promotional emails using our email campaigns feature. You can add a newsletter block or promotional pop-up on your site, or collect email addresses during checkout to start building a mailing list. From here, navigate to the Email Campaigns panel and choose from one of our many email templates to send out store updates, thank customers for their purchases, or offer a promotion on the next order. Lastly, you can track your success using our built-in analytics features. This way you can track the success of your email campaigns and target trends to help you sell more. Additionally, you can head over to your site analytics dashboard for an overview of useful metrics like sales, purchase funnel analytics, and track how often visitors abandon their cart. Squarespace has what you need to succeed online. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.